barbecue. There's some style music in the background. Here we are in Pattaya, Jomtien, around Second Road. This is a very typical Thai night out. It's about 400 baht each, I think, you know, £10. You can see that the food is fresh. Crabs, looking fresh on them. Busy on Monday night, on the 25th of April. Not sure where my table is, because it's to be around somewhere. Oh, so there we go. This is digital art, bringing a big world to a small screen somewhere near you. The idea is you pick up the raw fish, put it on the plates, as you can see, and there's also other things here. Put in vegetables, and then you take them to your table, where you can barbecue them. Where you can barbecue them. So, here we go. Get a sense of what it's like. I don't know how these things are. Crab curry. Dumpling liver. Get on with it. And here we have the band. So that's it.